very last work problem. Tom and Tina were out jogging when Tina said to Tom, how far do we have gone? And they were out for 3-4 hours, and they usually go 6-7 of a foot per hour. So how far had they gone? So why are they so slow? Because they're not humans, right? What are they? They're termites. Let's write down what we know so we can try to solve the problem. They've been out 3-4 hours. Anything else? Usually go 6/7 of a foot per hour. So that's two things going on here. One is about time, one is about distance. And then we can create some timeline and then somehow line them up. We want to create a timeline and also the distance. Okay, if I put a timeline, it should start from what to what? 0 to 1, okay? So if I do 0 to 1 hour, then I should divide this into how many equal parts? 4 equal parts because the denominator is 4, okay? Cut it in half and then half again. So each marking represents what? 1/4 of an hour. Everybody okay? Number line is continuous, so 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. This 4/4 is 1. Okay? And then I need to line up with the distance. This is 6/7 per hour. Okay? I can line them up with like 1 hour. Is that okay? Because it's going to be per hour, right? So I'm going to have a same length for my distance. And then just be very careful and really think about it. For 1 hour, they can go how far? 6/7 of a foot. Everybody agree? Because it's 6/7 of a foot per 1 hour, right? So they should line up. And then for this is the tricky part. Then we should cut it into how many equal parts? 6 equal parts, okay? I agree. This would be half, right? What would that be? 3/7, okay, good. And so everybody's okay. And if this is 3/7 of a foot, then between 0 to 3/7, I should cut it into 3 equal parts, right? That would make sense, right? That would be 1/7, 2/7. And on between 3/7 to 6/7, I should cut it into 3 equal parts also, right? They don't line up exactly, unfortunately. So that's 4/7 and 5/7 of a foot. So far, they've gone out for how long? 3/4 of an hour. So I'm going to have an arrow go from here to there. So if I extend it down, it looks like how much of a distance approximately they have gone. About between 4 and 5. So it's not a very good question, but it's not a perfect question. It's normal for real life. So I'm going to say they went about 4/7 and 5/7 of a foot after 3/4 of an hour. Not a nice number, but it's okay. Question for this? So next we're going to cover some new material for exam 2 stuff, and then we will focus on the reviews on exam 1 on Wednesday. So what do I want you to do on Wednesday again? Want to make sure everybody on the same page? Yes, this one, the Wednesday in-class practice, I want you to have every single question done. Like you may have 1 or 2 you're not very sure, but you should practice all of them, okay? So if you have questions, we can address it. And we are going to invite people to show us what they have. So have some nice work to show us. I've never tried this in the class, so we'll see how it works. I'm a little bit worried, but hopefully we should try. Because we want you to have an opportunity to show others' work and have a chance to talk to the class and present something because she's supposed to be teacher. Just get used to the idea. The first time you may be nervous and you may not do it perfectly, which is fine, but you need to have some practice, okay? So this is the one that I want you to do it at home. I gave it to you since last Monday, so you have plenty of time, hopefully. Try to do all of them. Try to put it on paper, organized and nice, so when you pull it out in the class under the document camera, we can see your step clearly. So don't cram all of them like so close together, okay? Try to do the majority of them. If you have one or two questions you're not very sure, that's okay, but try to do as many as possible, okay? All right, so we're gonna move on to some new material because we cannot slow down, unfortunately. Um,